Dropper field is a mechanical infusion pump designed to pressurize flexible infusion bags containing any solution suitable for an intravenous infusion or transfusion without having to rely on gravity. Mainly intended for use in emergency situations and hostile environments such as natural disasters such as earthquakes or tsunamis, battlefields, collapsed buildings, road accidents, mountain rescues, speleology and mining rescue, helicopter and ambulance transports, field hospitals, medical evacuations through rigid inflatable boats. The Dropper field is mobile, reliable, durable, with no need for electricity or battery, and doesn't require any maintenance. The Dropper field consists of a transparent compression cover, the non-slip grip areas, a mobile plate in which the infusion bag is placed, a handle, the closing mechanism and opening levers, the catches, 2 bag fastening hooks, a hanging ring. The device is designed to be able to receive most infusion bags up to 1000 ml commercially available at the time of its introduction on the market. Under no circumstances may rigid or semi-rigid bottles be inserted into the device. Set the machine down on a flat and stable surface. Place your hands on the non-slip grip areas on either side of the cover. Place the middle finger of each hand underneath the left and right opening levers. Exert pressure on the cover using your body weight. The cover will slightly move downward. Without releasing the pressure, rotate the 2 opening levers using the middle fingers of each hand. The fastening spring clips will turn inwards and release the cover. While maintaining the 2 opening levers up, release the pressure, then lift the cover. Open the bag. Check that the choke or flow regulator is set to the off position. Insert the spike into the infusion bag. With the cover fully open, place the bag on the plate and attach it to one of the fastening hooks. 2 fastening hooks are available depending on the model of bag used. If the bag is longer than the plate, fold the end of the bag on itself in order to make it approximately as long as the plate. The operator must maintain pressure on the bag in a backwards direction to prevent it from sliding forward when closing the device. The system is then closed and primed. If only one fastening clip has fastened, the plate will be in an inclined position. In this event, just press the unfastened side down in order to correctly position the cover. This operation pressurizes the bag. The Dropper field works by pressurizing the liquid bag. This imposes specific usage rules similar to those applied when working with other transfusion or infusion devices functioning under pressure, such as pressure cuffs. The operator has to deal with the possibility of air injection to the patient. The Dropper can be used with 2 types of lines: the classic line and the air catch line. The Dropper can be used with the classic line. In this case, 2 options are available. First, the Dropper is used vertically, hanged. The use of the drip chamber is possible and the classic purge is done. The second option is using the Dropper horizontally. The drip chamber is horizontal and unusable. The reverse purge technique must then be applied. In this case, the flow regulation will be managed by a flow regulator placed on a line extension. These regulators work very well with the 1-liter infusion bag. They work properly with the half-liter infusion bag, showing a higher infusion rate than selected, roughly 30%. They should not be used with the 250 ml infusion bag. We have tested some flow regulators from the market. Please contact us to be informed about the specific behavior of each flow rate regulator with the Dropper field before using. The air catch line is an infusion line with an air catching system and with an extension between the spike and the drip chamber. The Dropper can be used vertically, hanged, or horizontally, laid down with its drip chamber directed downward. During the infusion, if the drip chamber is used upwards, the infusion will stop, preventing air injection to the patient. As soon as the chamber is restored to its normal position, the infusion will resume. Ideally, the device should be positioned at the same level as the patient. If placed at a higher level, the pressure will be increased, and conversely, if it is placed at a lower level. The dropper could be hung on the hospital bed and exceptionally to an infusion pole by the hanging ring. The infusion progress can be monitored by the observation triangle placed on the plate's front panel. When the process is completed, open the dropper as specified in the setup procedure. You can check that infusion is complete.